To build a clothing website on Wix, the first step is to select the website to be edited. For demonstration purposes, a sample website will be used. To start, click on Edit Site and then access the Wix editor. A clothing website requires products, so it's essential to have these ready. The website should also have a form, a portfolio page, and a subscribe option, along with a background image. The background can be changed using Wix's image, video, or media options. A search for clothes pictures can yield suitable results. Once a background image is selected, it's possible to add text that introduces the company or business to customers. This text should be readable, so choosing the right font and color is crucial. The text can be added using the Add Elements option, and then selecting Heading 1 and typing in the desired text. To make the text more noticeable, the color can be changed to something like white. Adding paragraphs or other text elements can help to enhance the website's content. The Add Elements option can be used to add text again, and the AI tools can generate new text if needed. The font size, style, and color can be adjusted to make the text more visually appealing. It's also possible to switch the highlight of the text and change the background color. Adding a section for a gallery is a good idea, as it allows for the display of clothes and models. The Wix Pro Gallery can be used to add pictures of clothes, and the layout can be managed using the Settings option. The media can be managed, and the design section can be adjusted to include overlays, full or partial overlays, and social sharing options. Once the gallery is set up, it's possible to add a contact section, which is a necessary part of any website. The website can then be published, and its appearance can be previewed on both desktop and mobile devices. The final result should be a professional-looking website that showcases clothes and models in a visually appealing way.